Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to give users administrator on a MacBook. So in order to do this, let's open our system preferences and make sure that you're on an admin account yourself. Now let's type in user, go for users and groups. Here click on the log like this and enter your password. Now select the user you want to give admin privileges. For me it's gonna be that one. You can also create new one by pressing on this plus button. Now select allow user to administrate this computer, and here you will need to restart the computer for your changes to apply. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.